Bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Umkhosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkhosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bami Zitho, it's about Umami Club star uNozipho Ntshangase. Guys, uNozipho Ntshangase last day there were allegations that umyeni yakhe uye waya enkonzweni ekuphakameni wayokhetha unkosikazi wesithulo azomthatha, and that is something ehethu uNozipho, and that is something efake uNozipho umshado kaNozipho enkingeni, because uNozipho uthi yena nomyeni wakhe mabaqala ukuthandana there was never indaba yesithembu, and they have never agreement or talks whereby umyeni wakhe bekathi yena ufuna isithembu, but after 20 years or so many years being together umyeni decided to know what, sengifuna isithembu. Remember uNozipho guys ubekayi housewife, and imsebenzi wakhe bokukunakela ezakhe ingane nengane ezize nomyeni wakhe. I feel like ifamily yakhe it was a very beautiful family. Even now we don't know istate somshado wabo, because that is a very sensitive topic uNozipho is not willing to talk about. Even kule podcast yakhe nola Xonxo akashongo ukuthi what is really happening, is she divorcing or they are really divorced or sekasamkelile isithembu. But she makakhuluma nola Xonxo it felt like uNozipho it doesn't agree to this thing yesithembu. But I remember on this season of Mami Club, one of the ladies uthe makambuza ukuthi what is your relationship status, are you divorced? What who said I'm getting a divorce. So I guess we'll never know what is status somshado wakhe. But yesterday umyeni wakhe uvelile, there are pictures and videos of umshado kamyeni wakhe with the new wife. Guys, the wife guys, there are rumors that she is 23 years old. So I guess indaba yesithembu they awuthatha umfazi ongangaphi. Umthetho wesithembu I guess uthi uthatha unkosikazi omncane. Hence mina always say I'll always give praises and worship unkosi leya yaseKZN, because that is one king or that is one man that I know uthatha isithembu, and athatha abantu who are in his age noma ngasi age nje ncamashi, but they are around. I think they are old enough to understand this thing is same, and to understand the procedure is same or the process is same and how it works, guys. So uNozipho Ntshangase, we didn't see her on emshadweni, and we didn't get to see ingane zaNozipho. I'm not sure whether ingane zaNozipho did attend that wedding, because what I know ukuthi the video that was making rounds last year is umyeni kaNozipho ahamba ngenkani bamncenga ukuthi okay at least shiya iskiya semoto ngizokwazi ukuhambisa ingane esikolweni ama ngenkani. That video ithathe ingane kaNozipho kamyeni kaNozipho, that is not biological child wakaNozipho Khokho, and that is the same girl owewathi poster video on socials, and we do know that yena noNozipho they are very close. Even lasezinye ingane they are very close. Nozipho saziposta namhlanje, and they I feel like they are still having that bond, basahlala naye futhi, which is something I think belishayela uNozipho izandla ngoba she is the best mom and the best woman. I don't know ukuthi umyeni wakhe wayafuna the second wife, but if I was umyeni wakhe I don't think I'll destroy my family just because of someone that I just met and someone of the vision I don't even know which is on his employment. So please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda.